All right, I made this video because I'm a dummy. So here, I'm gonna show you something. Let me put these back on for a second. Hang on. Because when I was looking these, ignore what I'm doing right now. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. When I was doing this, looking up videos on how to replace my igniter, stay with me. Everybody kind of just was like, take your heater apart and put your igniter in. But I gotta tell you something, folks. I missed a step over and over and over again. And so I just want to, in good faith, say, you got your igniter. Whoop. All right. Bam. And when you put it in, I'm doing this backwards. Goes in here, right? So the igniter was like in here. I'll show you how it works, but you can probably figure that out. When I was putting it in, focus. Let me switch hands. Stay with me. When I was putting it in, it goes in on an angle. First of all, that was beyond me. Look, see how this is a square and this is round? Goes in on an angle with this little detent, this little nub here. That goes in there. That's how that fits. I am a dummy. Then when it goes in here, this is the part that I kept screwing up. Boom. See how I just screwed it up? Watch. That nub is spring loaded. See? When I kept getting lucky enough to get in there because I wasn't thinking it through, I would turn past that detent and it would come right back out. It would be like, whoops. I'm talking assembled the whole thing, fired it up, worked, then it would just come flying out. I couldn't figure out why. Look. That's how it's gonna work right there. Let me see. Oh. All right. Let's see. Not beyond me. Boom. Stay tuned. I think I'm gonna fill this up. Wish me luck. Reassemble this whole thing and see if I can get it working. All right, bud. Let's fire it up. Go ahead. Remember how to do it? Mm-hmm. All right. Yeah. All right. Lift that little thing, that little lever. Oh, lift it up anyway. Lift that little, yeah, hit that. Boom. Here we go. Smoke free for now.